Hi. For oboe reeds and the embouchure, it's totally different than clarinet or flute. Um, I can't play the clarinet for my life because the embouchure for oboe is the complete opposite. I will leak about right here with any clarinet reed. I just can't do it. So you gotta think opposite. Clarinet is really smiley. Oboe is like there. You want to be forward and down. So before you put it on the reed, you can take your pinky and you're going to put your pinky, cushion it in this lip here. You don't want it flat over your teeth like you would for a clarinet or saxophone. You don't want this. You want it out, and you're going to make like a fish face. Ooh, like that. Okay, so it's ooh, fish face. And then you're going to turn it inwards and go ah. Ooh, ah. Like that. Ah. And then you're going to shut it and go ooh, ah. See, my corners are super far in rather than this. Okay, you don't want that. You want squished together tight. So on the reed, side note, if you're making your own reeds, you want the, can't see it, the short end on your bottom lip. Short end goes on the bottom lip, like this. You're gonna cushion it in the lip, right? You don't want this where it's hard because it's not gonna support the reed. Cushion it like this, about halfway up. Ooh, ah. Okay, that's the right way. In and down instead of that. You don't want the corners up. Right, for flute, you have like that, right? Clarinet is similar. Oboe's the opposite. Ooh, ah. Okay, and when you're breathing, I don't know how you guys do it, but you want to breathe like that. Keep the cushion. The cushion is going to support everything. So I don't know how this reed plays. All my reeds are dead, so I don't know what's in tune right now. So at that 45-degree angle, right? You don't want it too high. You don't want it too low, like a clarinet. You don't want it here like a clarinet would be, because it's not going to be supported in your lip. So, right? So for that higher octave, it was a little flat. You're just gonna want to think up like you would for flute or clarinet, but you want to keep the cushion in there, and you want to squeeze a little bit with your corners. There's a little bit of muscle movement that happens about right here. I don't know if you can see it. It moved just a little. That's what's going to help support. You want to support from your abdominal cavity and your air column. Push it up. So if I don't support and if I play wrong, let's play like a clarinet player. It barely spoke, first of all, and it was really flat. I can do it. I'm so used to having it. So, last time. And then. That's that. Let me know if you have any questions.